Forbes India and Indeed present Top 30 Talent Leaders of 2025.
For me, this recognition signals growth. It means I've stayed committed to learning and evolving and showing up with integrity. It also reflects the collective excellence of the people I work with. No talent leader stands alone. We succeed because our teams believe in the mission. I'm proud of the people I've helped grow, the ones who found their voice, their confidence, or the direction because someone believed in them. The ripple effect is the real legacy. If I look at the top 100 leaders today at Dr. Reddy's, I think I've had a role to play in many of their careers and where they stand now. This is an interesting one. I think I have learned to think about ecosystems and not vacancies. When you look at how skills, structures, behaviors connect, you stop solving today's problems and start shaping the organization for the future. When I started out, talent leadership was really about filling roles. But today it's about shaping an organization's future. We've seen a shift from process to purpose. Earlier, we managed transactions. Now, we talk about experiences, culture, and the conditions where people can truly give their best work. We've also gone from intuition led decisions to insight led strategy, and the role has expanded because the workforce has changed, right? So, hybrid work, shifting motivations, fluid careers, talent leaders today must navigate complexity with empathy, agility, and clarity. I look for alignment between what energizes a person and what the role truly demands. When the two click, performance becomes sustainable and not really forced. That right talent is rarely the person with the perfect resume. It's the one who can solve tomorrow's problems today. I normally hire for the future, I don't hire for today. I think I touched upon it earlier. The talent ecosystem is changing. Therefore, creating cohesion in a distributed, hybrid, constantly shifting workforce. The future isn't just flexible, it's fragmented. So, stitching it together to deliver value will be the real work of a talent leader. A travel blogger. It kind of marries my love for travel with ability to give people directions. So might as well guide them to good food and better holidays. Tough one. The rare ability to bring empathy and accountability together. Many have one or the other. Very few hold both with a lot of equanimity and grace. I'd say time management, not to go back and fix mistakes, but just to get a full night's sleep and an inbox that's at zero. And also mind reading, because, imagine the hiring decisions I could fast track if people just said what they actually think. My hero is my mother. She taught me that strength isn't loud. It's consistency, it's grace under pressure, and the ability to keep showing up even when no one's watching. Showing up prepared, not over prepared, just intentional. I think it builds a lot of trust and credibility when you respect other people's time. See the person before the profile. When you understand what drives someone, you don't just hire better, you lead better.
Forbes India and Indeed present Top 30 Talent Leaders of 2025.